You got it. It's free. It's free. A lot of people say, what are you guys selling? We don't sell anything. We just give away money. Yeah, what's your name?
Dahlia.
Dahlia. My name's Austin. Her handshake was a little better than yours.
I don't even get out.
Okay, so you can use this to step on right here if you need to. Come on, Dahlia. You got it. Every rep is $5. Just try it. Try it. You got it? Close. I was coughing. I wasn't laughing. Come on, pull it. Pull. Close. I'll tell you what. I'll give you $1. Let's hear it for Dahlia. Thanks for coming out, y'all. That was fun.